What?
Okay. Well, we're going to send this to your mom. So say whatever you want to say to your mom because you miss her. Like you're writing a letter, but you're videoing a letter. Do you hope she's having fun? Okay, well, say that.
Mama, are you having fun? What else?
That you miss her bunches?
Bunches.
And you can't wait till you get home?
Yeah, till you get home.
To take lots of pictures?
Take lots of pictures.
And I love you?
And I love you.
And are you ready?
Are you ready?
For my song.
For my song.
Okay, Dahlia, start.
But already she had come between you and Peter.
Do I do this?
Mom, hold on. Oh.
Do you just
Where